Welcome back. Now, once you're inside of the interface, you're going to see a number of things. The first that will be most visible will be the section that says Pick Apps to Explore Workflow Ideas. And what you'll be able to do is to find the various apps that are used in Zapier, and you can do that by typing in the first few letters of the name of the app that you use. So, for example, if I type in OFF, you'll see Office, Facebook Offline Conversations, Kickoff Labs, or anything that has OFF in it. Again, the word mail is written. Anything that has the word mail in the name of it, you'll see that app to come up. This is the Explore tab. Now, you will also have the Zaps tab. The Zaps tab will have any connections that you have previously made. And you'll see some previous connections that are here. When you see the On application, those connections are turned on. And that means then that any of the data in the app on the left side will shift to the app on the right side automatically when it occurs. If you have a Zap set up but it's turned off, that means that the connection has been established, but until you turn it on, none of the data will move from the app from the left side to the app to the right side. The next tab is the Task History tab. The Task History will give you an indication of how many times that particular Zap connection has been run and the date and time it has actually been run. The next tab is the Connected Accounts tab. Now, in the Connected Accounts tab, you'll see all of the accounts that are being used in your Zapier integrations along with the login information. So basically, it's a way of looking at a glance at all of the accounts that you're using. You have a Settings tab, all of which is self-explanatory. You have your profile information, email, password, how you'll be notified, how you'll be billed. If you have a team that's working on your account, you can add two-factor authentication to your Zapier account. This gives you an extra layer of security into your Zapier account. And lastly, you can disable any SSL security checks. Okay, so now that you have seen the interface, you are now ready to start creating Zaps. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.